Yes, good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching Uniline TV. By the way, we use Unimedia in Instagram and YouTube as Unimedia, so you can subscribe us and turning on the notification ring so as you can get all the notifications to get all the updates. This is Uni updates from Unimedia. This is all about coronavirus, which have been confirmed. Global cases passes 1 million. More than 1 million cases of coronavirus have been registered global, according to the latest figures from Johns Hopkins University. Another grim milestones as the world grapples with the spreading pandemic. Nearly 53,000 people have died and more than 210,000 have recovered, according to the U.S. university's figures. The U.S. has the most cases and more than 1,000 died there in the past days. The disease COVID-19 first emerged in central China 3 months ago, though the tally kept by Johns Hopkins records 1 million confirmed cases. The actual number is thought to be much higher. It took a month and a half for the first 1,000 cases to be registered. 1 million was reached after a doubling in cases over the past week. Nearly a quarter of cases have been registered in the United States, while Europe accounts for around half. Then what's the latest news? On Thursday, Spain said 950 people had died in the previous 24 hours, record number of Europe in this outbreak. Later, the US reported more than 1,000 deaths in 24 hours. The number of confirmed Spanish cases rose from 102,136 on Wednesday to 110,238, an 8% rise. That is similar to the rate recorded in previous days. Authorities believe the virus is now peaking and say they expect to see a drop in figures in days ahead. We continue with an increase of around 8% at this point, as we have already seen to stabilization in the data that we are registering. Maria Jose Sierra from the Spanish Health Ministry Emergency Coordination Unit said at the news conference that Spain, the second worst hit nation in terms of deaths, has also lost nearly 900,000 jobs. The US on Thursday said it saw a record 6.6 million new unemployment benefit claims. This is Uniline TV. By the way, this is Uni Updates, and thanks for listening. I go by the name Chance Tizday on Instagram. Follow me there, and Twitter as Chance Tizday_. By the way, we use Unimedia in YouTube, so follow us and subscribe us on YouTube as usual, so that you can get the all notifications and the news, and we update you there. This is Uniline TV, Uni Updates.